Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. With the first snowfall greeting the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the onset of an evidently chilly winter has begun. Now let me ask you, while it makes the picturesque and scenic view, is it really a thing of beauty? While the term climate change literally indicates the change, early snowfall remains a strong indicator of it. As compared to the year 2019 and 2020, snowfall came in quite early in Kashmir this year, probably making way for a similar pattern in other hilly areas. On October 23, 2021, Srinagar recorded the coldest October in 39 years with similar conditions in other parts of Kashmir. This was 12 days after the state received the first snowfall, which was on October 11 this year. Outer reaches of the Jammu and Kashmir received the season's first snowfall, while the rains lashed other parts of the region and plunked the mercury. Indian Meteorological Department said a western disturbance and winds laden with the moisture from the Mediterranean led to the rains in the plains and snow in the mountains of the region. This year, the first snowfall in Kashmir countered a pattern that was being followed for the past 3 years, and in 2018, snow stepped inside the state on November 3rd. It was slightly delayed the following year in 2019 when it fell on November 7. This got further delayed the next year in 2020 when it came on November 23rd. However, this year, the first snowfall in Kashmir knocked as early as October 11. While it did make up for some scenic pictures from the perspective of climate change and life disruptions among the locals, it was not so scenic. Every year, hill areas experience heavy snow during the winters, which halt the daily life of the locals. The Jammu-Srinagar highway, the only viable road that connects Kashmir with the country, reopened after 7 days on January 10 this year. On the same day, officials had declared Jammu and Kashmir snowfall a natural calamity. Operations at the Srinagar airport were also suspended. At this, when snowfall knocks earlier, it extends the struggle time for the local residents and also catches them off guard. Last year's unusually heavy snowfall shone the spotlight on the climate crisis. What do you think change in Earth's climate system means heavier or earlier snowfall? During warmer months, a heavy amount of settled snow can melt and can cause record-breaking floods, as was seen in Kashmir in the month of July this year. In 2016, the State Action Plan on Climate Change revealed a steady decline in snowfall over the years. Kashmir, according to the SAPCC, had witnessed a rise in temperature of 1.45 degrees Celsius over the preceding last 2 decades. An early snowfall also indicates the lack of predictable pattern of the snow in the valley. Since the climate change causes subsequent changes, the consequences of an early snowfall or any unpredictable turn of the events in the climate causes casualties and disrupts the overall balance of the hilly areas everywhere. In an important development, the government of Jammu and Kashmir had declared heavy rainfall and snowfall from October 23 to 24 as the state-specific natural disaster under State Disaster Response Force norms. The government also said that Anantnag, Kulgam and Shopian districts in Kashmir and Udhampur, Kishtwar, Reasi, Samba and Kathua in Jammu are to be covered. On October 24, 2 people died while as many were rescued after they were trapped in the snowfall in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir, officials had said, taking the death toll due to inclement weather to 5. The rescue team of civil, police, army and SDRF officials traversed 30 kilometers through snow-covered and foggy terrain, aided by the machinery, and walked for the 8 kilometers to reach the location, the officials had added. Parts of the valley, especially the higher reaches of the South Kashmir, received moderate to heavy snowfall on October 23rd. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.